Hi everyone. So let's continue where we left off. So let's see question 14. Let P be an integer other than 0 plus or minus 1 with this property. Whenever B and C are integers, such that P divides BC, and then P divides B, or P divides C. Prove that P is prime. Well, let D be a factor of P, then P can be written as D multiplied by K for some K belonging to Z. And then we have that P divides dk. So by the property above, we get that P divides D, or P divides K. So if P divides D, then you can reach D by P. So P times R is equal to D. So therefore, you can write P as P times R times K, which is PR K. So therefore, R times K is 1. So you have that. This tells you that the absolute value of K is less than or equal to 1. But since it's an integer, then it must be equal to plus or minus 1. And if K is plus or minus 1, then D is plus or minus P. And by an analogous argument, we have D is plus or minus 1, because if P divides K, then you can write K as a multiple of P. So we have P is D times P times S. So D times S is equal to 1. So the absolute value of D is less than or equal to 1, but as D is an integer, D is equal to plus or minus 1. So what's interesting about this is, or actually, like, I like to understand things from multiple perspectives. So as it allows me to packet problem-solving schemes into things that I can use in the future, as well as modeling whatever I want to model as mental maps. So in mathematics, really, there is, in my opinion, there is analytic intuition. So there is analytic intuition, there is structural intuition, and there is topological intuition. So let's see if we can generalize this. So there is intuition coming from configuring an idea, right, arranging it from a different order, so to speak. And there is intuition that comes from arranging the ideas structure-wise. So the first one would be topological, the second one would be structure, and you could also see how things vary with respect to each other. So there is also analytic intuition, and so I think there is also orientation of things as well. So I think that pretty much captures all how an idea gets formed. So there is there is the informations that make up the ideas, and there is how they are oriented with respect to the tree or possible many trees, and there is also how they are structured and how they are arranged, and that makes up the ideas that is involved. So I try to packet things in that particular fashion because it allows me to understand things using tools. So that's what I like. Because there is a bunch of like things that we can like if there is computationally heavy phenomena, then using the tools you can build things that break apart whatever mathematical or meta-mathematical systems you're looking at into a bunch of things that can be well understood. All right. I'll see you in the next videos, and I hope you enjoyed this little bit of philosophical, meta-philosophical way of understanding things. See you guys.